The internet can be a risky zone for everyone. Our young learners are most vulnerable to the dangers that it may bring. Online hazards may have tragic consequences. But worry no more. Protecting our young learners against threats of the cyber neighborhood is just a matter of awareness. With Google's Be Internet Awesome program, we can help our young learners to be safe and responsible users of the internet. Aiming to promote digital citizenship, Be Internet Awesome anchors on 5 themes called the Internet Code of Awesome. First, be Internet smart or share with care. Second, be Internet alert or don't fall for fake information online. Next is be Internet strong or secure your private information. It is followed by be Internet kind or don't be a cyber bully. And last is be Internet brave or talk it out when in doubt. To support its pedagogical value, Be Internet Awesome is supported by tools and resources evaluated by the International Society for Technology in Education and received the seal of alignment for readiness. To begin, let's get some light on the engaging computer game called Interland. Interland is intended for learners aged 7 to 12. It provides fun and adventure-packed hands-on experiences to help young learners discover safety measures in using technology. Players will be called Internauts. Internauts will explore 4 floating islands: the King Kingdom, the Reality River, the Mindful Mountain, and the Tower of Treasure. Each island features a challenging game equivalent to a different lesson. Internauts will collaboratively embark on a quest to combat evil hackers, phishers, oversharers, and bullies by practicing online safety and online etiquette. With this free interactive game, young learners will be empowered to achieve technological independence. It will also help them to distinguish between safe and unsafe behavior in online interactions. This includes attaining a sense of what to share on the internet and whom to share it with, depending on the content. Now, let's take a look at the Be Internet Awesome curriculum. The Be Internet Awesome curriculum features teaching guides on topics such as privacy and security, cyberbullying and online cruelty, phishing and scams, online reputation, and inappropriate content. Aside from teaching guides, the Be Internet Awesome curriculum also contains posters, worksheets, and slide decks that can be used concurrently with the game Interland. To encourage the entire family in promoting safe internet usage, the Be Internet Awesome Pledge can be reviewed and signed all together by parents and their children. Still, the most important safety measure is open communication between the members of the family and the school. Together, we can close the gap that surrounds the digital citizenship of young learners in the present technological age. Remember, play safe, learn safe, and stay safe.
Mabuhay! Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Ako ang inyong lingkod, Tutor Madge. Welcome sa ating ETUlay, ang ating libreng online tutorial na hatid ng ating kagawaran ng edukasyon, ICTS EdTech. Ang programang ito ay inaasahang makatutulong at maging karagdagang kaalaman sa mga mag-aaral mula kinder hanggang senior high school, ALS, Alive, at SPED learners. Bukod sa pagsagot ng mga modules, ang ETUlay ay may mga special programs din na siguradong aabangan ninyo araw-araw. Katuwang ang ating mga minamahal na mga magulang at guro ay maitutulay natin ang pagkatuto. Kaya, ihanda na ang inyong module, lapis, papel o kwaderno. Ihanda rin ang isip, mata at tenga sa isa na namang makabuluhang aralin. Tayo nang matuto, kasama ang inyong volunteer online tutor sa oras na ito.
Hello! Good afternoon po sa lahat ng mga Math 4tastic learners natin dito sa ETUlay. Good afternoon, Tutor Jovi and Tutor Wela.
Good afternoon, Tutor Prince. Good afternoon, Tutor Wela.
Yes, good afternoon, Tutor Prince and Tutor Jovi. Nandito na naman tayo sa isang makabuluhang araw kasama ang ating mga grade 4 learners.
Yes, ayan. So last Friday, ang natandaan kong ating diniscuss ay rounding of numbers. Tama po ba?
Yes, sir.
Ayan. So nakapag-discuss tayo how to round off numbers up to 10,000 ba yun o up to 100,000 po ba?
10,000, Tutor.
10,000 lang. And yung concept po na iyon ay may apply din nila sa ating lesson this afternoon kasi meron tayong tinatawag na estimating product mamaya. So, with that, pwede ko na po pang mabasa ang objectives for this afternoon. Ayan. So, ang ating session this afternoon pala ay on 2 lessons. Multiplying 2 to 3 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers and yun nga, estimating products. Alright? At syempre, ayan, kaming tatlo. Pero ako po ay taga-bahasa, abrilata ng ating session. At ang ating mga mamshi, ang inyo po mga kasama all throughout this session. Ayan. So, next slide na po. Ayan. So, salamat po ulit sa CO sa pagpapagamit po ng mga modules na ito. Okay, for our session this afternoon. Ayan. And objectives, yun nga, multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Wala mo ng carry over yan. And dito sa pangalawa naman, meron na kasi multiply numbers up to 3-digit numbers by up to 2-digit numbers with regrouping or may mga carry over na tawag nila. And then yung panghuli nga po ay estimate the products of 3 to 4-digit numbers by 2 to 3-digit numbers with reasonable results. Ayan. So with that, kaya nyo na po yun mga mamshi. Ako po yung mapapaalam na sa inyo. Pero andito lang ako sa ating backstage. Alright?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you po. And bye-bye.
Bye, Tutor Prince.
Sige. Yes.
Tutor Jovi.
Okay, so bago natin simulan, Tutor Wela, kailangan batiin muna natin ang ating mga live learners na nandito ngayon nakikiisa. Nangunguna dito, Tutor Wela, si Yana Rain Leonardo ng Tilapayong Elementary School. Good afternoon po. Then Lisa San Pedro Geminiano Balbuena. Janjan Kasia, Ryan Matthew Cabar, Lisa San Pedro, yan. Tutor Wela. So, bati muna tayo, Tutor Wela, bago tayo magsimula.
Okay. Binabati ko rin ng magandang hapon si Shana Masula, si Kyla Bless Paule, si Kate Inakay, si Grace De Vera. Okay, good afternoon po sa inyo. And then si Lian, Mikaela, si Erich May, si Mac Prince, si Angelica Morato, Janjan Kasha, good afternoon po sa inyo.
Yes, may nabasa din ako, Tutor Wela, from Isabela, kababayan ko yan, from Isabela. So, nandyan din si Fabi Denise Bayudan, good afternoon, grade 4 teacher niya, si Mrs. Divina. So, sige, simulan na natin, Tutor Wela, pero bago yan, kailangan learners, be ready with your pen and paper para sabay-sabay tayong matuto sa ating new lesson ngayong araw. So, Tutor Wela?
Hindi, tatanungin ko muna sila, Tutor Jovi, kung ano ba ang nararamdaman nila ngayon. So,
ay, syempre.
Happy ba sila? Okay, malungkot ba? Masaya ba? Okay, yan ang pinaka-importante, Tutor Jovi, ang maging masaya. Okay, sana masaya sila ngayon, di ba? Kasama nila tayo. Okay.
Opo. Kasi tayong dalawa, Tutor Wela, feel na feel din natin, masayang-masaya tayo kasi nakikita natin, ang dami na naman nating mga viewers. So, good afternoon daw po sa kanilang lahat. So, Tutor Wella, ano nga ba 'tong hashtag harvest?
Okay,
Sige nga
sige.
po.
Sige, Tutor Joby, since handa na sila, simulan na natin ang ating aralin dahil dyan sa hashtag na yan na harvest. So, let's read the story problem. So, Edison helps his parents in harvesting mangoes in their orchard. He puts all the harvested mangoes in 32 baskets, with each basket containing 312 mangoes. So, how many mangoes are harvested in all? So what is asked in the problem, learners? So the problem that we're going to solve for this afternoon is that number of mangoes harvested. Okay, what are the given facts? We have there the 312 mangoes and 32 baskets. What operation are you going to use? Okay, of course, we're going to use multiplication. And how will you solve the problem? Okay, let's continue. Okay, we have there 312 times 32. Okay, take a look at 312. Yan ay tinatawag nating multiplier. And then the 32, okay, that is your multiplicand. And the answer that we're going to get will be our product. Okay, let's have the step 1. First, how are we going to solve? Align the digits of the same place value using the place value chart. Okay, there you have there the place value chart. Okay, take a look at 312. That is a 3-digit number. That is our multiplicand. And 32, a 2-digit number, that is our multiplier. Okay, so what are we going to do now? So multiply 312 by 2, the ones digit in the multiplier. So we have there 312 times 2. Okay, so we have there 2 times 2 equals 4. Okay, and then we're going to multiply again 2 times 1 or 1 times 2, that is 2. And then 2 times 3, that is 6. So 624 children. That is not yet the final answer because that is only the partial product. Okay, let's continue. Let's move on to step 4. Okay, step 4, multiply 312 by 3, the tens digit in the multiplier. So we have there 3 in the tens digit. So we are going to multiply 312. So let's start from 3 times 2. So that is 3 times 2. That is 6. Oh, why is it 0? Since we start with the tens digit, so automatic na yan, 0 ang nasa ones. Okay, so let's move on. 3 times 2, that is 6. Okay. And then 3 times 1, that is 3. And then 3 times 3, it gives us 9. Okay. Since we get now the partial products, we're going to add the two partial products. Okay. So take a look at that. Let's add 624 plus 9,360 rather. So 4 plus 0, that is 4. 2 plus 6, that is 8. 6 plus 3, that is 9. And 9, bring down 9. Kasi wala naman tayong number na i-add sa kanya. It's 0. Okay, so the answer is 9,984. Okay, 9,984 mangoes was harvested. Okay, next, let's move on. Okay, what is the hashtag now? Nako, Tutor Joby, parang ano yan parang kakaibang nararamdaman ko dyan. Okay. It gives us positive outlook, di ba? Okay,
Yes.
Tutor Joby, what is that hashtag for the next problem that we have?
Okay, we have here the hashtag is the thought that counts. So, tingnan natin ano nga ba itong hashtag na to. So, let's read the problem. So, the city government of Sorsogon bought 35 banyeras of lawlaw fish at 945 pesos per banyera and distributed them by packs to households around the city. So, how much did the city government of Sorsogon pay in all? So we are going to find if how much the city of Sorsogon pay in that 35 banyeras of Laulau fish. So take a look at 945 pesos times 35. So how can we find the answer? So hashtag with regrouping. Katulad ng sabi kanina ni Tutor Prince, ito yung may carry. So how can we start? So step 1, align digits of the same place value using the place value chart. So let's see the place value chart. So we have there 945 as our multiplicand and 35 as our multiplier. So paano po? So katulad ng ginawa din kanina ni Tutor Wella, we will start at the device multiplier natin na ones digit. So multiply 945 by 5 the ones digit in the multiplier. So yan, i-multiply natin using the first multiplier natin na nasa ones place. So 5 times 5. So let's find out. 5 times 5 equals 25. So hindi naman pwedeng pag ilagay natin na magkatabi yung digit na yan sa ones place. So makikita mo sa ating sagot, we have the ones place and the tens place. So we are going to regroup 2 to the tens place. Then after that, we have to move on to the tens place of our multiplicand. So 5 times 4 equals 20. Pero don't forget your regroup na number kanina na 2. So i-add po iyon. So again, 4 times 5 equals 20 plus 2 equals 22. Ayan. Sabi ko nga kanina, nandito na naman tayo magkatabi dalawang digit pero hindi pwedeng ilagay pagsamahin sa isang place value. So we have to regroup 2 to the hundreds place. So let's continue. So 5 times 9 plus 2. Huwag kakalimutan yung niregroup natin or yung ikineri nating digit. So we have 9 times 5 equals 45 plus 2 equals 47. So yan, magkahiwalay na siya. So yung 4 natin ay nasa thousands place at yung 7 ay nasa hundreds place. Wala na tayong digit na i-multiply. Okay, so meron na tayong tinatawag na subproduct. Bakit subproduct? Kasi hindi pa tayo tapos. We still have one multiplier. So that is on the tens place. So we will have to, step 4, multiply 945 by 3, the tens digit in the multiplier. So ang tens digit natin ay 3. So let's proceed. So we have 0. Bakit tayo may 0? Kasi yan yung place value holder. Sabi nga kanina ni Tutor Wella, ilalagay natin ang sagot na natin sa tens place kasi nasa place value na tayo ng 10 yung ating multiplier. So, para hindi tayo malilito, lalagyan natin ng 0 yung ones place. So, ilalagay natin mamaya yung sagot natin dito sa tens place. Kaya may 0 po yung ones place. Okay, so let's proceed. So 3 times 5 equals 15. So 15, again, i-regroup natin ito doon sa tens place. Kasi ang minultiply natin ay ones place. So, i-carry natin sa tens place yung 1. So next is, we have to multiply it 3 times 4 plus yung ikineri natin o iniregroup natin na 1. So it is equal to 13. So 13, regroup 1 to the hundreds place. Okay, nakikita nyo po yung 3 ay naiwan siya under hundreds place. So hindi pa po tayo tapos. Kailangan pa nating tapusin hanggang sa hundreds place. So 3 times 9 plus yung na-regroup natin na 1. So that is equal to 28. So lagay natin. So 28. So ang ating subproduct ulit ay 28,350. So tignan natin ano ulit ang gagawin natin. Gaya yung ginawa natin sa without regrouping, ay meron ding subproduct na ating i-add. Okay, so to find the final product, we have to add 4,725 and 28,350. So, we have there 33,075 as our final product. So, how much did the city of Sorsogon pay for the 35 banyeras? So we have 33,075 pesos. Yan, nakuha ni Mark Adrian Molano, LJ Leal. Yan, ang gagaling. Talagang active. Even Cassandra, Shane, Vanette, Villanueva. Okay, so let's continue. Tutor Wella, tingnan natin anong susunod natin na hashtag. Ano ba itong hashtag? Okay. So before we will proceed, activity 1 muna, Tutor Wella. So sige nga po, Tutor Wella. Active na
Sige.
active ng ating mga learners. Go,
Okay,
Tutor.
so yes, Tutor Joby. So let's have number 1, 234 times 4. So what will be the answer? Learners, try to solve it now in your paper and pencil. Use your paper and pencil to solve it. Okay, so what will be the answer? Okay, so let's have 4 times 4. That is 16. Okay, so that is we are going to regroup 1 since hindi natin siya maisulat ng buo sa ones place. It's because we have 1/10. Di po ba? Okay, so 3 times 4, that is 12. So plus yung carry nyo na 1, that is 13. So i-regroup uli. And then carry 1 ulit tayo sa hundreds place. Then we have 4 times 2, that is 8. Plus 1, that is 9. So our correct answer is 936. Okay. So very good si Catherine, si Emiel, si Berry. Okay. So learners, maraming salamat kasi active na active kayo. Si Alia, si Ija, Justin. Okay, ang hirap basahin, Tutor Joby, ng mga pangalan nila.
Yes, pero active na active sila.
Okay, si Shana, si Lance. Okay, thank you, learners. Let's move on, Tutor Joby.
Okay, so next naman tayo, we have there 345 times 42. So we have there 2-digit multiplier. So yung una-una, 1-digit multiplier lang tayo. So tulad ng naipakita natin, tignan natin kung paano ulit ang pag-multiply using 2-digit multiplier. Sige nga learners, tignan natin kung naintindihan yung lesson natin kanina with or without regrouping multiplication of 2-digit multiplier. Sige nga po. O sige, Tutor Wella, tignan natin. Alam ko nakikisabay sila sa atin. So let's find out. So syempre unahin natin yung ones place. So ano yung digit na nasa ones place? So we have there 2. So 2 times 5 equals 10. So carry 1 sa 4 sa taas ng 4. Then 2 times 4 plus 1 equals 9. So wala kang i-carry dyan kasi isang digit lang yan. Then proceed to the hundreds place. So 2 times 3 equals 6. So we have 345 times 2 is equal to 690. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos kasi meron pa tayong isang multiplier na tens place. So let's proceed. So 4 times 5 equals 20 at isa pa, paulit-ulit natin yung ilalagay natin yung sagot sa tens place kasi tens, ang multiplier natin ay nasa tens place na. Kaya lalagyan natin ng 0. So 4 times 5 equals 20, 0, carry 2. Then 4 times 4 equals 16 plus 2 equals 18, 8 carry 1. Then 4 times 3 equals 12 plus 1 equals 13. So we have there our subproduct is 690 and 13,800. So you have to add the subproduct to get the final product. So what is our final product, children? Sige nga, i-post na yung inyong sagot. Yan, tingnan natin si Jasmine De Pedro daw, 14,490. Very good, nakuha niya. Justin Versola also. Yes, ang dami. Shana Masula, Heavenly Tanghian, Berry Hayes Nalagan, Rick Sander Ramores, Cassandra Zian, Venet Villanueva, ang gaganda ng pangalan, Carl Panganiban. So naglagay siya ng number kasi. Jasmine De Pedro, Erica Denise Zacarias. Ayan. So, Tutor Wella, ang gagaling ng ating mga learners ngayon. Active na active talaga. Thank you so much talaga. Na-overwhelm kami. Na-enjoy talaga kami nung mag-tutor na dito talaga kasi nandyan po kayo. So, sige, next tayo. Tutor Wella, tingnan natin ano yung susunod. So, anong hashtag kaya itong susunod natin? Yung activity 2 pa ulit. So, match the multiplication expression in column A with its corresponding product in column B. So, children, as you can see, we have there five factors in column A, then in column B, the product. So, please comment down your answer para sa mga katanungang ito. So, number 1 is 121 times 3. So, ano kaya ang product niyan? Okay, sige nga, Tutor Wella, hintayin natin. Shout out muna tayo, Tutor Wella. Meron pa tayong hindi na siya shout out, Tutor Wella. Sige na, go.
Okay, alam ko naghihintay sila. Shout out sa ating mga co-teachers from San Lorenzo Ruiz, most especially sa ating mga Mards dyan. Ma'am Elsie Arcega, Ma'am Ellen Castillon, I know they are watching right now. And of course, sa iba pa nating teachers na hindi natin nabanggit, alam kong sumusuporta sila sa atin. Okay, and then also, Tutor Joby, ang ating mga pupils. Okay.
Yes.
So,
Siyempre, Tutor Wella, wag kalimutan ang ating mabait na principal, si Ma'am Regina R. Albay. Hello, Ma'am. So, nandyan na. Nagsagot na sila, Tutor Wella. Si Isaac Sahulga, ang aking estudyante. Si Catherine Ann Morillo, mga estudyante ko yan. So, ang sagot ay 363. Tignan natin kung 363 nga. And that is correct. Ang gagaling. So, si Erica Denise Zacarias, Atina Chloe Galvez, yan, 363 ang kanilang nakuha. Si Catherine Ann Murillo, yan. Mga estudyante ko yan, Tutor Wella. Okay, number 2, Tutor Wella.
Okay, let's move on to number 2. We have there 241 times 12. What do you think is the product, learners? Okay, let's comment down your answers on the chat box. So as we wait, Tutor Joby, meron bang special na babatiin ikaw para sa ating para sa araw na to?
Siyempre, ang ating mga anak dyan, suportado tayo, di ba? Nandyan sila nakaantabay. Hello, Jamie. Hello, Von. Si Bryle. Yan, mga estudyante din sila na nag-aabang din sa atin. Sinusuportahan ang mga momshies nila. Di ba, Tutor Wella?
Opo, ito na kasi mga mommies na. Kaya kayo dyan, mga babies rin namin, yung mga learners na to. Okay, Tutor Joby, may sagot na for number 2.
Yes. Okay.
It's letter E. Okay, that is 2,892. And then, ang daming nakakuha, Tutor Joby, ng tamang sagot. Meron dyan si Jason, meron dyan si Vin, si John Ray, si Robin, si William, si Ryan, si Catherine. Nahirapan lang ako, Tutor Joby, talaga nabubulol ako doon sa mahirap ang spelling ng pangalan. So I'm so sorry kung mali po ang pagkabigkas namin. So Alexander, si Emiel. Okay. So,
ay, nakita rin ako isang bata ko rin, si John Raven Velba. Yan.
Okay.
Letter E din ang sagot.
Yan. Number 3 na, Tutor Joby.
Okay, number 3, we have 642 times 7. So, ano kaya ang sagot? Sige nga, ilagay nga ang sagot sa comment ninyo kung ano nga ba ang sagot sa number 3. So, sige. Proceed na tayo, Tutor Wella. Alam kong nandyan na yung sagot nila. Popost na nila yung sagot nila. Yan, letter D daw. Tingnan natin kung letter D nga. Yes, 642 times 7 is equal to 4,494. And letter D, si Eliza Pauline Palaganas, Catherine Murillo, Gayla Bless, Paule, yan, si Jeff Andre De La Torre, mga Albino Fritz Andrade. Talagang ang gaganda nga ng pangalan, Tutor Wella, at tayo'y nabubulol magbigkas talaga. Okay, yon yung mga hindi pa natin nabanggit yung mga pangalan, very good. So lahat kung letter D ang inyong sagot, tama po kayo. Next, number 4, Tutor Wella.
Okay, so let's have number 4. So we have there 572 times 11. Okay, comment down your answers. Children, we are waiting. Sige na po. Okay, siguro I'm sure may sagot na yan sila kasi naka-flash na yan, Tutor Joby.
Yes.
Alam na nila.
Okay,
matatalino.
Okay,
Yes, the correct answer is, okay, letter Countdown. 1, 2, 3. It's letter A, Tutor Jovi. Yan. Okay, it's letter A, 6,292. And nandyan si Catherine Ann Murillo. Tama ang kanyang sagot. Andyan si Allen. Sino pa kaya ang nakakuha ng tamang? Si Berry Hayes. Okay, so Tutor Jovi. So,
Ang
let's move
gagaling
now
talaga.
to number
Yes.
5.
Number 5, yung mga hindi natin nababasa dyan na tama talaga. Pasensya na kayo sa dami ninyo. Hindi namin mabilis ang pag-akyat ng comment. So very good kayo. Salamat sa pakikiisa sa amin. So let's proceed number 5. So we have there 648 times 45. So ano kaya ang sagot dito sa ating factors na to, yung number 5. So reveal na natin. Ang sagot ay Charan. Okay, we have there 29,160. So we have Fabi Denise Bayudan, letter C, correct. Yan, nakuha niya. Very good. Meron din dito sa ating ibang comment. Jasmine De Pedro, very good. Lian Micaela Dimira, letter C din po ang kanyang sagot. Yes. Zerina Miel, yan, ang dami, Tutor Wella. Talagang ang kanilang mga ay gumagana habang nagpapakita tayo, may sagot na nga sila. Ang dami nila dito sa comment box. Tutor Wella, pagpatuloy natin ang ating gawain para lalong matuto ang ating mga learners. So, yan.
Okay.
What is that? Hashtag Mang Antonio, Tutor Wella. Sige nga, liwanagin mo nga sa atin yun, Tutor Wella.
Okay. So, hashtag Mang Antonio na naman ang story problem natin, Tutor Joby. So, let's have Mang Antonio owns a mango orchard in their province. This harvest season, he was able to get 571 mangoes from a tree. If he has 32 mango trees, about how many mangoes can he harvest this season? Okay, so Tutor Joby, take a look at the word about. Okay, what is that word about? That word about means it is a word clue, which means that you are not going to find the exact product, but you are going to use estimate. Okay, Tutor Joby, another word for about is, Tutor Joby, is nearly and approximately. Yes, we can use nearly, approximately, and about if we are going to estimate. Okay,
Yes.
next, Tutor Joby. Okay, so let's have there 571 mangoes times 32 mango trees. Okay, take a look at the symbol. That shows that symbol means approximately equal to. Ibig sabihin, we're not going to get the exact answer, but we are going to use the estimate. Okay, so how are we going to estimate? Take a look at that. Okay, 571 times 32. Okay, we are going to round off each factor to its highest place value. Since you learned before the previous lesson, on the previous lesson last week, how to round off numbers, di po ba? So, 571, let's round it off to 600. And then, 32, we round it off as 30. So, yan na yung ating multiplicand and multiplier. So, we have there 600 times 30. So, take a look at there. We're going to multiply the non-zero number, which is 6 times 3, which is, Tutor Joby, 18, di po ba? And then, copy the number from the multiplicand, kung ilan yan, 1, 2, Tutor Joby, and then isa naman doon sa multiplier. So, meron tayong ibababang 3 0. So, the estimated product is 18,000, Tutor Joby.
Yes.
Okay.
So, let's
Okay.
proceed. So that is
Yes.
the estimated product, which is 18,000. So what is the actual products. Para makita natin kung tama ba yung ating estimated product kanina, we have to get the actual product. So how? So to check if the estimated product is reasonable, we have to find the actual product and compare it with the estimated product. So let's find 571 times 32. So alamin natin naman ngayon yung kanyang actual product. So tingnan natin. So we have there, so katulad ng step na ginawa natin kanina, nag-proceed na tayo and we found out that our actual product is 18,272. At tignan natin, ano yung ating estimated product kanina? So ang estimated product natin kanina ay 18,000. So we have there 18,272 versus 18,000. So tama kaya yung ating pagka-estimate? Yes. So notice that the estimated product is close to the actual product. Kaya kung iraround mo yung actual product na 18,272, it will become 18,000. Okay? Nagets po ba? So let's proceed. So estimating product is about 18,000 mangoes can be harvested this season. So, ang dami, Tutor Wella. So, ang dami nilang maha-harvest na mango. So, activity ulit tayo, Tutor Wella, para makita natin kung naintindihan yung pag-e-estimate ng product. Okay, go, Tutor Wella.
Okay, Tutor Jovi, I'm sure naman na naintindihan niya ng mga learners natin dahil sila ay matalino. Okay, we have 2,154 times 62. Okay, let's get the estimated product by, sabi nga kanina, rounding each factor to its highest place value. And we have 2,150, we have 2,000, and then times 62 becomes 60. Okay, so let's multiply. So the non-zero number, that is 2 times 6, that is 12. And then how many zeros do we have there? O may nauna na kaming zero doon kanina. Okay. May nauna na kaming zero. So we have, Tutor Jovi, the answer is 120,000. Okay. So number
Yes.
2, next, Tutor Jovi.
So let's have the next one. We have 3,732 times 261. We will find the estimated product. So 3,732 becomes 4,000 and 261 becomes 3,000. So look at the non-zero number. We have there 3 and 4. So just multiply it. 3 times 4 equals 12. And the number of zeros, we have 5 zeros. So what is our estimated product? Our estimated product is 1,200,000. Okay, so ganyan lang po kadali ang mag-estimate. So zero zeros na kasi, so napakabilis lang na i-multiply. So yan, nakukuha din ng ating mga learners. So let's proceed, Tutor Wella. So ano yung sunod natin? Tingnan natin ang susunod natin. Okay, so activity 4, Tutor Wella.
Yes,
Estimate its product, then compare the two estimated products. Write the correct symbol, greater than, less than, or equal in the box. So, ano kaya ang magiging sagot sa number 1, Tutor Wella? So, let's see, Tutor Wella.
Okay, so number 1, we are going to compare. Di ba, Tutor Jovi, last week yan ang lesson din natin, comparing
Yes.
numbers. Okay.
Yes po.
Okay, number 1. So 174 times 47. Let's compare it to 246 times 38. So, children, what do you think is the answer? Okay, comment down your answer, children. We want to see it. We want to see it, Tutor Jovi. So, meron na si Barry. It's less than si
Okay.
May Basil. Ay, less than.
Okay, sige,
Sorry talaga, Alexander.
ipakita natin, Tutor Wella, ang
Ipakita
evidence
natin.
kung
O,
talagang sila ay tama. Okay, Tutor Wella, ito
okay.
dapat ay
Okay,
yes.
so ang 174 times 47, sabi dyan, we're going to round off first into highest place value, di ba? So ang
Yes.
174 naging 200 and then ang 47 ay naging 50, so that is 10,000. What about the other number? 246 naging 200, ang 38 ay naging 40. So if we are going to multiply it, that is 8,000. Oh, do you think the answer is less than, learners? What is the answer now, Tutor Jovi? The answer
Okay,
is
yes, the answer is greater than. At yan nakuha ni Catherine Ann Murillo. Okay, proceed tayo, Tutor Wella, at sila'y nag-e-enjoy din. So, number 2, we have there 198 times 52 compared to 624 times 23. So, children, ano kaya ang magiging symbol ng sagot natin dyan? Tingnan nga natin. Pakita nga ninyo yung inyong sagot. Paki-comment nga po. So, i-shout out muna natin ang mga learners natin, sina Micael Abante, Emerald Montañez, Albino Fritz, yan yung nagsasagot pa kanina, Andrade, Eritz May Ignacio, Shiana Mazula, Catherine Ann Murillo, Isaac, Sahulga, yan. Tutor Wella, meron pa ba?
okay, si Jemai, si Yol, si Zach, si Katrina, si Carl, okay, si Robin, okay, magandang hapon mga bata. Okay, Tutor Jody,
Sige,
number
para
2.
makita na may sagot na po sila. Tingnan natin. So, our estimated product for 198 times 52 is 10,000 and 624 times 23 is 12,000. So, the answer there is, yan, nakikita ko na yung mga sagot nila at sila ay tama. It is less than. Very good. So, nakuha nila yung ating mga sagot. Okay, yes, number 3. Tutorella, ano yung number 3 natin?
Okay, so we have there number 3, 343 times 364. Let's compare it to 421 times 327. Okay, learners, what do you think is the answer? So first, what are you going to do? You get the estimated product of the factors that we have there. So 343 times 364. So we have there 300 times 400 equals to 120,000. What about 421 times 327? So if we are going to get the estimated product, we have there 400 times 300. That is also 120,000. We have a number with the same value. Okay, Tutor Joby, 120,000, 120,000 then. So
Yes.
that is equal, di po ba?
Okay, yeah. Nakuha din ni Robin, ni Eritz May, ni Patrick James, ni Aki Chan, ni Shiana Mazula. Yan, mga nakuha po nila ang mga sagot. Si Cassandra din, si NJ, Emerald, Vonuel, Anastasia, Anastasia kasi ang tawag ko sa kanya, si Anastasia Pelayo, estudyante ko po yan. Yan, talagang active na active din ang mga estudyante ko kahit sila'y nasa grade 5 niya. Na ganun nila ka-supportive ang kanilang advisor, Tutorella, di ba? Okay, so meron pa ba tayo? Ay, gustong-gusto ko pa sana, Tutorella, tapos na pala. Anong ibig sabihin ng scan me, Tutorella? Paliwanag
Okay,
mo.
oo nga, no, bago yan sa atin, meron tayong scan me for today. So, learners, parents, our viewers, we want to know kung anong nararamdaman nyo dyan. For your comments, suggestions, and feedbacks po for us to improve our lesson, our delivery, please scan me now. So, tingnan nyo po yan dyan. Okay, Tutor Joby?
Yes, opo. Paki-scan nga po. Gusto rin naming marinig ang inyong suggestion at comment para lalo po naming pagbutihin ang aming pagtuturo. Kayo po ang aming inspirasyon. So, salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay sa amin. So, muli every Friday, Math 4, 3 to 3:40 p.m. So, Tutor Wella, ano na ulit ang gagawin natin? Tapos na naman ang ating oras. Naka,
Okay,
ang
oh.
bilis.
Okay,
Okay.
Tutor Joby, sadyang ang bilis talaga ng oras, no? Tapos na naman ang time natin sa ating online tutorial. So, dapat lagi tayong masaya, learners. Today is Matalino Day, Math Terrific Day. Okay, see you again next Friday. Remember, every Friday is Matalino Day with Tutor Joby.
Yes, and Tutor Wella. So thank you so much for your participation. Sana lagi po kayong nandyan at kami nandito rin inspirado dahil kayo po ay nakaantabay po lagi. So sa hindi namin nabati, pasensya na sa dami ninyo. Salamat po sa inyong suporta. So thank you. Up next we have Tutor Jordan and Tutor Joshua for Math 5. So bye-bye. Thank you. God bless everyone.
Bye! Thank you!
Ang husay naman! Natapos mo ang iyong tutorial session kasama ang iyong mahusay na ETUlay tutor. May bago ka bang natutuhan? I-share na yan gamit ang hashtag #ETUlayLevelUp. Huwag aalis ha dahil may susunod pang programa na pwede mo ring panoorin at salihan dahil naghihintay na ang iyong mga tutors. Happy learning dito sa ETUlay!